Welcome back to Home Crooks. My name is Priya and today I'm going to make a Halloween candle holder using this air dry clay. Let's get started. I have this block of air dry clay. Divide it in half and start rolling. I'm going to make this into a snake, so it will take some time to roll it out. Remember to turn one end into a pointed tail. While the other end will be the head. You can keep smoothing it out wherever it cracks, but remember to have fun and not chase perfection, so you can leave a few of them just right there in the craft. Once you move towards the head, remember to give it shape. The head will be thinner than the body. You can use water to make it more pliant. So now we are going to flatten the head a little bit by thinning around here, like so, giving some shape to the mouth. Last year I made it with a gaping mouth, but this year I'm not going to do that. It will be just in a striking pose. Our snake is ready. Now I am going to drape this around this pillar candle. To hold it in place, I'm going to have to add some skewers on the candle, and we are going to let it dry for 24 hours like this. So it's been 24 hours and the snake is all set and dried up. Although it didn't hold its shape and there are some visible cracks, but I'm hoping that I'll be able to cover it up with some color. I'm going to paint this with a golden spray and then some black hints that will come after. So let's do that. So I spray painted the snake in gold, but the cracks are still visible. Let's just say that our snake has some stretch marks and he doesn't want to hide them. So now I'm going to use this black spray paint to give it some dimension. So while it dries, I'm going to add some eyes, little red dots. And here is our golden snake candle holder. I think it turned out way more spooky than I intended, but it looks cute, and I'm going to add a candle in this. So I think it will be able to hold multiple sizes, and this is it. Let us know if you are going to try this at home, or do you have any ingenious ideas for Halloween candle holders. Happy Halloween!